Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, I have discussed what is an implicant, what is a prime implicant, what is an essential prime implicant with an example. In this video, I want to discuss another example so that you will understand the concept in a better way. So let first me check the question and then we will discuss the solution. They have given a 1K map consists of 4 boolean variables and 16 cells are there, and we will have 8 minterms. If you want, you can check it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minterms are there, then the remaining blanks will be zeros. Am I right or wrong? Because any K map can have ones, zeros or don't cares. So as they does not mention the don't cares, the remaining blank spaces I will consider it as 0. They all will be the max terms. Now what they are asking, find the number of prime implicants and essential prime implicants. First we will find what are the implicants. What is an implicant? Collection of adjacent minterms or max terms we will call it as a implicant, because they have given the minterms, so we will combine the collection of the adjacent minterms. Okay, now if you see that I can combine like this, okay, and then I can combine like this. This is another implicant, this is another implicant, this is another implicant, and this is another implicant, this is another implicant, because I can combine like this, and this is another implicant. Okay, this is another implicant. So totally how many implicants we got? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. So we got the 8 implicants. Now we will check, as they are asking the number of prime implicants. What is a prime implicant? An implicant can be called as a prime implicant if it is not subset of other implicants. Am I right or wrong? Now if you see this implicant, let me define them as I1 so that it will be easy for you to understand. This is my I2, this is my I3, and this is I4, and this one is I5. Okay, are you able to understand? This is I6, this is I7, something is missing. I1, I2, I3, this one I can call it as I8. Okay, totally 8 implicants are there. Now if you see this I1 and I7, what is I1? I1 is this one, I7 is this one. Are you able to understand? They are intersection. There is not subset of each other. Am I right? Because I1 is covering these two ones, I7 is covering these two. So I can call both of them as prime implicants. Similarly, come to this one, this part and this part. This one is covering these two ones, and this implicant is covering these two ones. They are intersection, not the subset of another one. So they are prime implicant. Similarly, now come to this one. This is covering these two ones, and this one is covering these two ones. So they are also prime implicants. Similarly, if you come to this one is covering these two ones, and this one is covering the other one. So all are the implements are the prime implicants. Are you able to understand? Because none of the implicant is subset of another one. Okay, so in this case all the implicants I1 to I8 are prime implicants. Now we will check how many are the essential prime implicants. Now if you see that any minterm which is not covered by other prime implicant, am I right or wrong? If you see that this one is covered by this prime implicant and this prime implicant, this one, we will talk from each one. This one is there. One is covered by I7 and I1. So, which is covered by two prime implicants. Come to this one. This is covered by this prime implicant and also this prime implicant. This one is covered by these two and these two. This one is covered by these two, these two. This one is covered by this one and this one. So if you see that all the ones or all the min terms are covered by more than one prime implicant. So they are not unique. So I can say that essential prime implicants in this case is 0. I hope you have understood how many implicants are there, how many prime implicants are there, how many essential prime implicants are there. And I request everyone to minimize this expression and check what is the answer you are getting, and even find out how many literals you are getting also. Do it as an assignment or a practice. I hope you have understood all the concepts which I have discussed in this video. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.